In today's video, we're going to be spraying in this car with this non-pressure spray gun. So stick around, watch the process and see the results. Hello and welcome everyone to part 9 of the Honda Accord restoration series. So in today's video, mainly we're going to be spray painting this car with some new paint that we have. So we're going to do a paint reveal also. And as we said earlier, we're going to be using some interesting equipment. We're going to be using a non-pressure electric spray gun to spray the car. So we're going to show you the results that also you can do it for cheap right by your house. So stick around. So as you guys saw 3 episodes earlier where we primed the car, we said that we still have some bodywork that needs to be done. Now we finished the mechanical side of the car, and we also, while we're at it, we finished the bodywork on the car, and now it's smooth and ready to be sprayed in. And as you can see, we started masking some stuff. Everything is maxed out. Everything is ready to spray in the paint. So we're gonna mix some up and start shooting. Okay guys, so as you saw, we laid down some paint with the cheap gun that we have, and it served as expected, which is good enough. Now it's time to spray in some clear coat, which, as you know, is the hard part of spraying in a car, and it's a little bit more delicate while spraying it. So let's see how it will turn out. Okay guys, so as you saw, yesterday we finished painting the car we laid down the first coat of paint, and then we landed some clear coat on top of it. And as you can see, it turned out pretty much flawless. So now we're gonna set it in the sun, let it bake for a minute. Then we're gonna continue working on the car. We still have the front bumpers, the front bumper and the rear bumper, and some stuff that needs to be buttoned up, a little bit more assembly. Then the car will be finished. So a quick update, guys. We finished painting the bumpers, front and rear. They look awesome. They completed the look of the car. Now it's beautiful and shiny. So now we still have some stuff that needs to be buttoned up. So let's get straight to work. So we've done a lot of boring stuff off camera, like we painted the side skirts and we assembled some body trim, door trims here around the whole car. Now we have this special striping that we're gonna be placing on the sides of the car just to give it one last touch so it looks amazing. Okay guys, so as you saw, we finished painting the car. We painted it with a non-pressure spray gun, which turned out to be flawless. It looks like any other car that was painted in a booth. Anyway, we also painted both front and rear bumper black to match the OEM spec of the car. And also we got a lot of stuff assembled and a lot of miscellaneous stuff buttoned up. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of this restoration series. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Anyway, we're gonna be moving on to another project unless something pops out with this one. We're gonna be fixing it if anything pops out. If not, we're gonna see us fixing our new project. See you then. Peace.